a brand new phone. She had it for a month.
What's up, guys? Just made over to the Boathouse in Minocqua. Got Christy over here free diving. Got me scuba diving. Hopefully get a lot of stuff. Let's get it.
Yeah. A hammer or what? Nice. Ooh. Nice planter glass here. I got the phone. I knew it was just over in this area generally, but it's a brand new phone. She had it for a month. And it was lost last July 2024. Just got it May 2025. Looks like it's still good. No water in the camera.
What's up, guys? Just got done diving at the Boathouse, Minocqua, Wisconsin. Check out what we found today.
This freak.
Some nice glasses you got there.
Glasses, hammer, a what? A vice grip?
Look at this, a Walkman.
With a mixtape still in it.
That's pretty sweet. Forks here, clamp, some glasses. Really nice old bottle here from Baltimore, Maryland. A couple other bottles over there. A Century boat guard thing. Nice old Miller High Life can. Someone's fishing rod. Is this your little Hawaiian dress or what?
Tutu I'll try on later.
Got a lot of trash over here. A lot of plastic, glass, and metal. A lot of these old cans, newer cans. Some pretty cool glasses right here. I'm gonna have to wash those and hang them up with a 600 other pair at home.
You have any sunglasses. Whoever's watching this in the...
We had a really fun time diving in Minocqua Lake. Found somebody's iPhone and actually got it back to him. She was very happy. Afterwards, we had a great supper.